Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to turn on the Who Viewed My Profile function in the BFF application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone and then click on the person button at the top of the page on the right, the first button there, and then click on the Who Viewed My Profile button. And as you can see, here you will find the Turn on Who Viewed My Profile section, and you can read about this function below. And if you want to turn this on, just click on the button next to it, and once it turned red, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.